Introducing the AUET MTM-100-1200 DC Torque Tester DC, the ultimate solution for verifying the accuracy and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. Designed and manufactured by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision engineering with user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. With its wide torque range of 10-100/121,200 INLB, the AUET/MTM-100-1200 DC can accommodate various applications, ensuring versatility in your testing requirements. The large, easy-to-read digital display provides real-time torque readings, while the included software allows for data logging and analysis, enhancing your quality control capabilities. The AUET/MTM-100-1200 DC offers multiple operating modes, including peak, first peak, and track, enabling you to capture different torque values based on your specific needs. The adjustable auto-clear function simplifies your testing process by automatically resetting the display after a predetermined time, improving efficiency and reducing errors. The included repeatable joint simulator replicates real-world fastening conditions, ensuring accurate and consistent torque measurements. With its wide torque range, digital readout with software, multiple modes, and repeatable joint simulator, the AUET/MTM-100-1200 DC Torque Tester DC W/SoftwareUSB is an indispensable tool for verifying the performance of your assembly tools. Invest in this advanced torque tester and gain confidence in the accuracy and consistency of your fastening processes.